You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word in French. It has the exact same meaning as in English. Talking about somebody, this would be a girl in particular. Blonde is how you say it. Blonde is how you say it. Masculine, if it was a boy or a man, it would be blond. There wouldn't be an E at the end and the D would become silent. But if it's female, blonde. Blonde is how we say blonde in French. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.